Hello guys, in this tutorial we are discussing about third type of operators in operators chapter, that is nothing but equality operators. Okay, equality operators. With respect to equality operators, we have two different kinds of operators. Okay, first one is the double equal to and the other one is the not equal to. Okay, first we will start with the double equal to and then we'll move forward with the not equal to. Okay, double equal to double equal to is an operator in which it will return true. Okay, it will return true when both left operand and right operand are equal. Okay, whenever both left operand and right operand are equal, then it will return true. Basically what we are doing here is nothing but we are cross checking whether whether two variables or two things are equal or not. Okay, if it is equal, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Okay, otherwise it will return false. Let us see how this will work with in reality with few examples. Okay, suppose I have a variable called as 10. Okay, I have created a variable called as 10. Now in the same way I have creating another variable called as 20. Okay, b with the value 20. Now I am cross checking whether a is equal to b or not. Okay, so a value is what? 10. I am cross checking whether 10 is equal to 20 or not. Okay, so in this case 10 is not at all equal to 20, so obviously it will return false. Okay, obviously in this case it will return false. Same way if I am checking with equal operands. Okay, now my left operand is 100 and the right operand is something I am taking it as 200 divided by 2. Okay, so 200 divided by 2 is nothing but 100, which I am checking with the left operand 100. So in this case what happens? Left operand is 100 and right operand also, after calculation it will be 100 only. Okay, 100 equal to 100. That means in this case it is true because both left operand and right operand are equal. So in this case it will return true. Okay, now let us see with one more example. Okay, now my left operand is true. Okay, my left operand is true and the my right operand also true. Okay, whenever I am checking true and true, okay, since both are equal, output also will be true only. Now same thing if I am checking with true equal to false. Okay, true equal to false, because true is not equal to false, so in this case it will return false obviously. Okay, so basically what we are trying to do here is we are comparing the left operand with the right operand. Okay, if they both are equal, then it will return true. If they both are not equal, then obviously it will return false. Now in this equality operator only we have the second type. Okay, we have the second type of operator, that is nothing but not equal to. Okay, that is nothing but not equal to. Okay, this not equal to operator, okay, not equal to operator will return true whenever both left operand and the right operand are not equal, then only it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Okay, so if both left operand and the right operand are not equal, then only this will return true, otherwise it will return false. Okay, so let us see how this will work in reality. So my new operator will be not equal to. Okay, think that my a value is 10 and b value is 20. Now I am cross checking whether a is not equal to b or not. Obviously 10 is not equal to 20, right? Okay, 10 is not equal to 20, so in this case obviously it will return true because 10 is not equal to 20. Okay, so whenever both left operand and right operand are not equal, then only it will return true. Suppose if I am cross checking 100 not equal to 200 divided by 2. So in this case it is equal. So in the 100, left operand is 100 and the right operand is also 100. So 100 not equal to 100. So in this case both are equal, right? So it will return false. Okay, now let us apply the same operator for Boolean values. Okay, true not equal to true. So true is true only, right? Okay, true is equal to true. So in this case I am checking not equal to. Okay, if I check true not equal to true, obviously it is false. Obviously it is false. So in this case it is false. Now let me check one more thing. False not equal to false. Okay, false not equal to false. So false is also, false is also equal to false only, right? But in this case, okay, we are checking not equal to, so this case also become false. Okay, suppose if I am checking true not equal to true, sorry, true not equal to false. Of course true is not equal to false, so in this case it will return true, because this condition is getting, getting satisfied, like not equal to condition is getting satisfied. So in this case it will return true. Okay, one last condition we'll check. Okay, false not equal to true, so in this case also it is not equal to, so it will return true. Okay, in this way we can apply both equality operators, double equal to and not equal to, for both the integers and boolean values. Okay, now next move to, okay, here in equality operator we will have one note point. Okay, we have to we have to understand one note point, that is nothing but chaining concept is also applicable for equality operators. Okay, chaining concept is also applicable for equality operators. Okay, if any one if any one comparison is false, then our output will be false, obviously. So how that chaining concept will work means, let me explain with an example, then same example we will try to do in the ideally as well. Okay, now 10 I am cross checking it is equal to 20 or not. Okay, 20 I am cross checking whether it is equal to 30 or not. Same way I am cross checking 30 whether it is equal to 40 or not, because here none of the conditions are getting satisfied. Okay, 10 is not equal to 20, 20 is not equal to 30, 30 is also not equal to 40. So in this case output is obviously false, because no condition is getting satisfied. It's not like only one. Okay, if any, if all the conditions are not satisfying, then only false. No, it's not like that. Okay, if any condition is false in between, so okay, at the end of the day it will be false only. So okay, this condition is getting satisfied, this condition is also getting satisfied, but in between 10 equal to 20, only this condition is getting not getting satisfied. Okay, if any one condition is also not satisfied, so obviously output will be false only. Now if I am checking, okay, 10 equal to 10 equal to 10, 10, so in this case obviously true only, because in this case all the conditions are getting satisfied. Okay, now 10 not equal to 20, not equal to 30, not equal to 40. In this case, in this condition also all these, okay, 10 not equal to 20 is satisfying, 20 not equal to 30 is satisfying, 30 not equal to 40 is also satisfying. So in this case it will return true. Okay, let's run. Okay, let's run all these points in ideally once for the better understanding. So let me run this in the ideally once. Okay, as I told you, since these all these conditions are not getting satisfied, it will return false only. Okay, now let us see the second condition. Okay, I told you, right? So if any one condition is not getting satisfied in between, that is also, okay, that also will return false only. Okay, now if we are checking, okay, if we are checking all the conditions, okay, whenever all these are getting satisfied, in this case it will return true. Okay, in this case it will return true. So whenever all the conditions are satisfied, because in this case 10 is not equal to 20, 20 not equal to 30, 30 not equal to 40. Okay, all these conditions are getting satisfied, so ultimately it will return true. Okay, so in this way we can apply chaining concept also for this equality operators. Okay, I hope all of you understand both equality operators like double equal to and not equal to. Thank you so much. Bye.